In this video, I will show you how to revoke or remove CCTV access that you have previously shared with another person. As an example, here we have the primary account on the first phone and the shared account on the second phone. There are several reasons why you might need to cancel shared access. For instance, an employee may have resigned from your office, or a family member may have moved to a new home. In these situations, you want to securely remove their viewing permissions. We can easily manage this directly from the primary phone. First, open the application on your main device and navigate to the Me menu. From there, select Manage Sharing Settings. On this screen, you will see a list of all users who currently have access to your system. In this demonstration, there is only one user listed. Tap on the user's account. Before completely deleting the user, keep in mind that you can also modify their permissions. If you only want to disable remote playback but still allow them to watch the live feed, you can adjust those settings here. However, if you want to completely remove their access, simply tap Delete at the bottom of the screen and then tap Confirm. Once completed, we can return to the home screen. The configuration on the primary phone is now done. Let us check the second phone to verify if the access has been successfully removed. As you can see, the device is still visible initially, but once we refresh the page, the shared CCTV feed completely disappears from the screen. This confirms that the access has been successfully revoked. That is how you cancel or remove shared access to your HiLook DVR system. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates from HiLook Update. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.